Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your smart TV's USB port supplies power and supports peripherals. This matters because some ports are charge only. Plug the Bluetooth dongle into a rear USB for stability and less interference. Once plugged, power cycle the TV so the OS can detect new hardware. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off to reduce pairing conflicts. This early control prevents the most common failures and speeds up discovery when you move to the TV's Bluetooth settings. Once the TV restarts, go into Settings, then Network and Accessories or Bluetooth, and select Scan or Add Device. This tells the TV to listen. Put the dongle or target device into pairing mode, follow the maker's steps, and observe the LED pattern to confirm readiness. When the TV shows the device name, select it and enter the PIN if prompted. Common defaults are 0000 or 1234. Make sure audio profiles match, A2DP for headphones, so connections carry the correct data type. To finish, test the connection with video and audio, check for latency, and if present, switch the TV audio format or app output to reduce delay. If the device disconnects, remove it from paired devices and repair after restarting both the TV and the dongle. Make sure TV firmware is current and use a powered USB hub if the dongle lacks power. If nothing works, try a different dongle model or contact support. Most issues stem from power, profile mismatch, or outdated firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.